such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky.
我们家今年的年度清洁好物前3名必须是这3个，不然这个家早就散了，朋友们。第一个是让我又爱又恨的吸尘器，恨它是因为这个大绿光，怎么这样？你看到吗？记得吗？但是它的吸力够大，噪音也小，所以这些地板啊、犄角旮旯可以吸得很干净。然后换个刷头呢，清洁这些缝隙也很轻松，很轻巧不累手，而且不用自己倒垃圾哟。今年辛苦你了。接下来说一说这个大白。大白你也辛苦了哈。
All the times that you ain't my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, but for goodness sake, think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my phone up.
可以当镜子用。
那个拿到阳台，明天洗一下，最后的收尾工作。
加油！ 复原工作就等我们吃晚饭再说吧。